Hello friends, today we are going to discuss applications of compiler technology. In last lectures we are already discussed that features of compiler and what are the different tokens, pattern and lexemes. So today we are going to discuss application of a compiler technology. So what is compiler? Compiler, it is a translator. It takes high level language as an instruction as an input and produces machine code or assembly code as a output. So there are different applications of compiler technology which are available in a software industry, so which is useful for compilation of a process, for creation of a tokens, for creation of a for testing purpose, for also for symbol generation and error handling purpose, which is used for to create object code file, which is also useful for to create bytecode file. In Java, the compilation process, that is Java C compiler, produces bytecode. In C, that is Turbo C compiler, it produces object file. So in market there are different applications and different types of compiler are available. So in Java, Java C compiler is there. In There are different in Lex, there is a Lex compiler. In Yak there is a Yak compiler, that is yet another compiler in a syntax analysis. In lexical or scanner it is a Lex compiler. So these are the few different types or examples of compiler which are available in market. So today we are going to see applications. Technique used in lexical analyzer can be used in text editors, information retrieval system and pattern recognition programs. Technique used in parser can be used in a query processing system such as SQL. Many software having a complex front end and need technique used in compiler design. The concept of compiler technology, which is also used in natural language processing, that is most of the technique used in compiler design can be used in NLP system also. So compiler, it is a very important and most what we can say that most important part in a computer system which is useful for, and it perform many important instructions, many important works for the translation process. Okay, thank you.